now you probably have seen already a video of Vika and I doing the pre-N24 warm-up, check-up sort of introductory video. And today, in today's video, we're gonna go for a lap in our Mustang that has received numerous amount of upgrades since the last time you've seen it, such as Sparko seats with strut harnesses. It has also GRZ 3-way adjustable suspension underneath, 305 tires mounted on Steeda wheels, Nürburgring CRS, big front, big back, and all the Steeda kinematics. And I may have forgotten something. Oh yeah, of course, Ravenel oil. And also G-Lock brake pads that kind of upset ABS. Something that I definitely do not want to have happen on the Nürburgring, but you've seen our Zandvoort test by now, probably. So yeah, anyway, let's hop in, see how the baby screams and roars on the Nürschleife. Thank you.
Keine Arme, keine Kekse. Don't forget your
my
seatbelt.
Alright.
And your glove.
Yes, my glove. It's gonna get loud. Disclaimer. We haven't set up the car because it came straight from Zandvoort. It's half GP setup because we even set it up for there quickly. So we're gonna take it easy and see what's what. Let's see if the exhaust is more loud than the window that we haven't fixed yet. But yeah.
Okay, let's go.
me because the diameter of the wheels is the same.
That's crazy, bro.
And it didn't feel fast.
Oh, no, I feel like there's so much space.
What the hell?
95.
Insane. I mean, this, I'm sure lots of Americans gonna love this video because it proves the capability of a Mustang. And the question whether you need a GTD for 350,000 whatever dollars, pounds, euros, insane. The corners mood curve, that's like record. I've been only as close, I haven't even gone faster probably, only with the GT3, like with the 992, maybe RS, but this is just first lap, first like fast-ish lap, and like WTF. It didn't feel like,
no, it
feels like,
like
oh yeah, we can go like 10-20 kilometers per hour faster there.
Yeah.
It's really crazy. Do we have some, can we park somewhere? I would like to say hello to some people, cool down. Woo! Insane. All right, verdict. Car is crazy. We can see now that the oil is having issues. Just like in Zandvoort, even though today it's like 18 degrees right now, so it shouldn't be an issue, but it is an issue. So oil cooler is a must. I don't know why it's happening, because probably because I can push now much harder through corners, because I'm also sitting in seats and not fighting with myself. It's so much easier to drive. It's so cool. So oil cooler, set up the suspension a bit, but at the same time the next upgrades will be aero and more power. So setting up suspension now makes very little sense, because then after that you need to set it up again. But already, like, holy cannoli.
More power?
Would you like to see me more often come to the car park and do the old school vlogs? Why not?
You can choose.